Do you have a health condition caused by inflammation? Your doctor may have said, this is tied to inflammation. It could be chronic joint pain. It could be a chronic lung problem. It could be an inflammatory bowel condition. Many health conditions are tied to inflammation. And I want to share with you today 2 concepts that can make a huge difference in your recovery and actually help you get your health back. Think of a small airplane and it has an engine fire. What does the pilot need to do? Before I share that with you, if we do traditional pain management type things, it's sort of like numbing the pilot while the plane continues to go down, and so you don't realize that you're going to crash. But if you have inflammation and your body is headed the wrong direction, you need to do 2 things to turn it around. One, that pilot has to cut the fuel to the fire. If that doesn't happen, the fire rages on and nothing stops it. So we have to find, in health terms, we have to find out what is fueling the fire. That could be a chronic infection. It could be a toxin that's fueling the inflammation. It could just be that you had an injury and your body can't clear the inflammatory chemicals, like when you have a sprained ankle and there's all kinds of chemicals in the ankle with the swelling that your body can't clear that. But we have to find out what's fueling the fire. Once we find out what's fueling the fire and we don't feed the fire anymore, then the pilot can push a button that releases a fire extinguisher in the engine compartment and shuts out the fire. Now, in terms of our body, our brain talks to our immune system. The left side of the brain initiates inflammation, the right side of the brain shuts it off. Start and stop. So many people with chronic inflammatory conditions, the right side of the brain is working lower or not firing as strong as the left side. So inflammation is starting, but inflammation can't stop. And what we will do with those people is certain brain exercises to stimulate the right side of the brain. And we have certain techniques to release emotional trauma, to release pain from the brain, and to bring the balance of the brain up. We stimulate the brain with light or sound or different things to help the brain get equal balance. Then the fire can be extinguished. So cut the fuel and extinguish the fire, and doing that naturally can help you really get your health back, get your flight in life, so to speak, back, and go the places that you want to go to be as healthy as possible. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness Chiropractic Redefined, and if we can help you with that, give us a call at 270-554-2141. Like us on Facebook and share us on YouTube.